Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play JJs on Mobile Roblox. First, ensure you have the Roblox app installed on your smartphone or tablet. You can find it in your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, either create a new, free Roblox account or simply log in using your existing credentials. After logging in, use the search bar to find JJs and tap on the game to begin your adventure. Navigating JJs on mobile is quite intuitive. You'll find a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen. Simply drag your thumb to move your character around the game world. On the right, you'll see various action buttons for interacting with items, opening doors, or performing specific game actions. To manage your inventory or access game settings, just tap on the corresponding icons, usually located at the top or bottom of your display. To truly excel in JJs, understanding your role is key. If you're a prisoner, focus on escaping, perhaps by finding keys or breaking out of your cell. As a guard, your objective is to prevent escapes and maintain order. Teamwork is crucial. Communicate with other players to coordinate strategies. Remember to collect and use in-game items wisely, as they can provide significant advantages like speed boosts or defensive capabilities, helping you achieve your goals more efficiently. For the best JJs experience on your mobile device, a few adjustments can make a big difference. If you're experiencing lag, try lowering the graphics quality in Roblox's settings. This can significantly improve performance. Always play with a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, to prevent frustrating disconnections. Finally, using headphones can enhance your immersion, allowing you to fully appreciate the game's sound effects and communicate more clearly with your teammates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.